Hey guys, CJ here of Yugatech, and Honor's been on a roll as they released the Honor 90 Lite, X5 Plus, and the 6A smartphones. Today, we'll be checking out their newest tablet, the Honor Pad X9. Join me as we see what's up with this smart tablet from Honor in this hands-on review. Let's dive in. The Honor Pad X9 has a metal frame with a matte back. In landscape, the Honor logo is seen in the middle, while the rear camera is on the upper right. Below the camera lens is a space with the text AI camera, which to me feels like something else could have gone there, like another camera or an LED flash at least. But anyway, we'll get back to the camera in a sec. The Pad X9 comes in Gravity Gray. It seems like there's a pattern going on with tablets naming their gray colorways in a space theme. For I/O from the horizontal orientation, it features 6 speakers found on the right, left, and bottom sides, while the volume and power button can be found on the top. The USB Type-C port is located on the right side. The Honor Pad X9 supports an 11.5-inch TFT LCD display that features a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels that can achieve a peak brightness of 400 nits. Viewing social media and watching videos on this display is a great experience as the colors are pretty good out of the box. The reproduction is vibrant and it showcases details in dim videos very well. As for sound quality, you can listen to anything without having to worry about the audio being too soft. With its 6 speakers, the overall sound that comes out of the Pad X9 is loud and clear. The Pad X9 runs on a Snapdragon 685 chipset, which features an Adreno 610 GPU. Don't expect to play games at the highest graphical settings with this tablet, as I've experienced a few stutters and lag when running Honkai Star Rail and Genshin Impact even at the lowest of settings. The device has 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. With Honor's OS Turbo, RAM can be expanded by an additional 3GB. We ran the device through our usual benchmarks and here's our results. Going to the cameras at the rear, it features a 5-megapixel sensor with a 2.2 aperture. In front, like the rear aperture, we also get a 5-megapixel sensor. And honestly, they're probably the same one. Noise can easily be seen when taking photos and videos with this tablet. It's grainy and I wouldn't really recommend using this as your main camera, but the quality should be sufficient enough for video calls. Check out some of our sample shots that we took for you to see. The Honor Pad X9 is operated by Magic OS 7.1 based on Android 13. Honor and Huawei users will feel very familiar with this layout and UI. It's very much in the vein of its Chinese competitors and it isn't that bad. Pre-installed apps like Netflix and Booking.com are in the device, but you can simply uninstall them if you have no use for them. Both the Google Play Store and Honor's App Market are available to install any app you need though, and it can run up to 4 apps. So multitasking with this device will not be a problem for most users. The Honor Pad X9 comes with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1. For the battery, it's powered by a 7250 mAh battery. No charging speed has been specified by Honor, but from my experience, it took about 2 hours and 30 minutes to fully charge this device. So it doesn't have the fastest charging speed, but running our usual battery benchmarks, we get these results. The Honor Pad X9 is priced at 11,990 pesos and it comes with a magnetic keyboard case. You do have to charge the keyboard separately though. Overall, it's a decent tablet to be productive with, general social media use, and for media consumption. Take note, it's not the best for gaming and taking photos though. And that's it for a hands-on review of the Honor Pad X9. What do you think of Honor's new tablet? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video and found it informative or enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our latest videos. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or is it X now, and TikTok. And visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this is CJ, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!